My name is Zach Weiland, and I'm here on a 60-day survival challenge. Got a couple goals for the day, and that is to find some clean, drinkable water. I need to build a shelter, and I've also got to make a fire. This is the base or the framework there's something out there. So here we are, day 2, morning 1. We've got a little bit of rain coming down right now. I gotta say, last night was pretty uncomfortable. You see that I've taken the roof off already. Did that first thing this morning, and so we're actually gonna put more of like a lean-to kind of roof on there, and it's gonna be a little bit more permanent and a lot more comfortable. Goal 2 is kind of symbiotic, where we're gonna have fire and then water, so we can get some water boiled to drink. This morning, I'm going to explore the area a little bit. While I'm looking for water, I'm also looking for wild edibles. That would be like blackberries, onions, chickweed, fireweed, stuff like that. Maybe a frog or tadpole for some quick protein. This is an overflow of a river. The water has to be nearby. This is a pretty massive flooding area, and so there's going to be some big water here before too long. Wow, we got some fresh water. Looks like we found our water source. As you can see in the background, it's moving pretty quickly, so that should reduce a lot of the bacteria. And what I've got here is a little stainless steel cup, and this is what we're going to use to collect our water, and then also boil it before we drink it. That way we get rid of the parasites and all that bad stuff that makes you sick. So I'm gonna try and get a fire going. I'm gonna put a little notch in this piece of wood for the spindle. And then I'm gonna spin the spindle in the notch that I made, which should create a small ember. And that ember, I'm gonna blow into a flame. All right, well, great news, I got fire. So that's gonna make life a lot easier. So I couldn't be more happy right now. So we're gonna go try and find some dinner, and I'm gonna boil some water while we're trying to find dinner. This should also keep some of the bugs away. So I got the fire going, I got the water boiling. Now I'm going to go out and I'm going to get some leaves to go on top of our shelter, and maybe find some dinner. While I was out, found a little bitty frog, and all you can really eat on them are the legs, so it's not a lot of meat here. And I'm just going to drape it over this stick that's really not that dry of a stick. So I think that's going to be pretty good right there. So I've got my food, water, fire, and shelter. I'm just going to take it easy tonight and hang out here at camp. You know, the hope from here on out is we just keep improving every day. Maybe a little bit to the shelter, maybe find a little bit more food and drink a little bit more water, but overall I'm really pleased with where I'm at right now. The fire I keep hearing something from time to time. I have no idea what it is. But you know, most things out here, you just make some noise, they'll go away.